We protect the democratic right to the people. We want peace, prosperity, and we want that
Who joined?
all the
He joined.
sorry, I didn't. The regional parties, all the local parties. I welcome to work together. So I have already said so many things from yesterday. If you have anything to say, you can ask me because today I have to leave, so I have to go to church and also I have to go to food market. I have some other work also, and that's why today I am really hurried. So thank you very much for taking trouble for us, and please give us your support, extend your support. We want to see real Goa. Goa is beautiful and Goa is everything with them. Only the leadership is lagging, the mechanism is lagging, the system is lagging, otherwise Goa is a gold mine. We will take care for everything. If you have anything to ask me, you can ask me. Thank you so much.
रीजनल पार्टी वाली बात की तो अभी आज भी कई लोग आपको मिले आज भी क्या ये गठबंधन के ओर से जा रहे हैं
माइक दे दो ना।
कल भी आपको रीजनल पार्टी के कई लोग मिले आज भी कई लोग आपको मिलने आए थे और अभी बातचीत हो चुकी है तो क्या ये एक अगेंस्ट फोर्स बढ़ रहा है या अगेंस्ट फोर्स बन रहा है ऐसे कुछ
बहुत बढ़िया है ना। Regional parties are the strong party, and we want to see that union of states, the federal structure is strong, the state politics is strong. So we don't want that outsiders Dadagiri. We want that insiders to work, and work for bonds we have already said, and दिल्ली का दादागिरी आणि का I told yesterday also the same thing I am repeating, and we want that the committed people, committed local political parties who are really fighting, who are really want to fight into BJP, let us work together.
Madam, I have a question to you. TMC is not new in Goa. It has been here before also for elections. It is only for the during the election time it is there or it will be forever?
No, earlier we didn't try. There was no organization, and there was no only one person contested election that much. But what we are this time we are serious about Goa, and we have started our work. You have seen that our MPs are also sitting here, and every day we are sending some MPs. Even I also came. Even I am also meeting the people. They don't you think that we are very serious this time, we are very sincere, because with Goa we can win, we can win India also.
दीदी मुझे एक सवाल पूछना है आपसे गोवा के साथ और 5 राज्यों में चुनाव होने वाला है पंजाब में होने वाला है यूपी में होने वाला है तो क्या गोवा चुनने का एक आपका पर्टिकुलर एजेंडा क्या है दूसरा आप यूपी में चुनाव के लिए जाने वाले हो क्या तृणमूल कांग्रेस यूपी में
देखिए हम एक नहीं चाहते हैं कि कोई वोट डिवाइड हो जो रियली बीजेपी का खिलाफ फाइट करते हैं बट द प्रॉब्लम इज with the national party so called we are also national party but we are not like Congress BJP they compromise each other we never and that's why wherever the opportunity will come wherever the request will come of course we will be going there. You also we are going there because Amala Prakriti Party's son and his grandson and they also joined the party. The others also have written me a letter. Punjab also have received so many letters. But wherever the possibility, and we have started Tripura, we have started Assam, we have started the northeast in few parts. Like this UP also we have the target. We have the target in Haryana also, in other parts also. Let us see. And Goa, Because while we started Goa like this, people also do the same thing we are doing. Every day BJP is also beating us. Goa, our similarity is with the sea, our similarity is with the forest, our similarity with the fishing, our similarity with the folk songs, our similarity with the football. Without Mohanbagan, Islam or Mohammedan supporting Goa football, where is the identity of football? The Bengal is the identity, the Goa is the identity. And we want to give Leander Pace, like him, a golden boy. The identity Francis, Goa songs, their rhythm is really, I can say that Bengal is culturally very high. If Bengal is the cultural capital of India, then Goa also don't forget. Their rhythm, their music, their lyrics are very, very good.
मेरा आखिरी सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा। कई दिनों पहले प्रशांत किशोर जी जो थे उन्होंने एक बयान दिया था और कल भी बयान दिया है कि 10 डिकेड मतलब 1 डिकेड जाना चाहिए बीजेपी को हराने के लिए। आप क्या इस सिद्धांत से सहमत हो?
नहीं।
तो प्रशांत किशोर जी का बयान है कि 10 साल जाना चाहिए बीजेपी को हटाने के लिए। 10 साल तक बीजेपी हटना मुश्किल है। दिस इज व्हाट प्रशांत किशोर से। तो आर यू एग्री विद दैट?
देखो, अब प्रशांत किशोर का बात वन साइड लिया। हमको लगता है उन्होंने ये कहा कि अगर बीजेपी को हराना है तो कांग्रेस जैसे चल रहा है ऐसे नहीं हारेगा बीजेपी। इसमें स्ट्रांगली डिसीजन लेना है, स्ट्रांगली फाइट करना है, ये बात उन्होंने कहा। इसी के लिए
Anybody else? Any friends? Yes.
I want to know, ma'am, since you have plans to go to a number of states of India, what is the idea of Trinamool for pan-India, all-inclusive growth for the people of India?
we always believe pan India. India is our motherland. We love every state, every regional parties, every regional languages, every regional food, everything. Their culture, their beauty. Pan India is our vision, and we too strong strengthen the regional party is our mission. And that's why if we do work together, then everything is okay. I am a Bengali, so I cannot come to Goa. You are a Goan, so you cannot come to Bengal. We don't believe this theory. All the people, whoever is Indian, they can go to anywhere. It is their freedom of choice. And they are the citizens of this country very much, but everybody has some two identity. One is their motherland is India, and second identity, the first identity, they have born and brought up from where. That is their identity. If your identity you belong to Goa, your identity, first identity you are born, and then you are Indian also.
दीदी 2024 में लोकसभा इलेक्शन जो होने वाले हैं, अगर अपोजिशन चाहे तो क्या आप कंसेंसस कैंडिडेट को प्राइम मिनिस्टर पोस्ट बनना चाहोगी?
भाई हमको तो कम्युनल रहना बहुत बढ़िया लगता है, अच्छा लगता है। There are some politicians in this country who feel themselves proud to say they are the VIP, and I am proud to say I am an LIP. Means less important person. Let us continue as a street fighter.
Hello.
Environment, we love environment like anything. Because if environment is not properly taken care, then everything will be spoiled. We don't want the poisonous air. We want that pollution free, the environment. Whatever we are doing, we have the planning of pollution control board and everything environment. We set up 5 crores greenery every time in my state. Even from mangrove for the sea, to save the sea also. 5 crores mangrove we have already planted in Bay of Bengal. So I think without the environment we cannot live. This global warming is going on, and we are totally against of global warming. What is going on? We are not taking it seriously, but we have to take it very seriously. We have to protect the green and clean, and we have to protect the environment also.
Didi, would you like Vijay Sardesai to merge his party into Trinamool Congress? Would you like Vijay Sardesai to merge?
We discussed the matter that let us work together who are committed to fight against BJP. So it is their decision, their choice, what they will decide. We want to avoid the division of the vote. The regional local parties can work together to fight the BJP and to give a good fight to the BJP.
Just like you all holding your own in West Bengal, standing up for the BJP, similarly Arvind Kejriwal is doing the same thing in Delhi, and he is also contesting election in Goa. So will this not be adversity here in Goa, or is there anything that
What do you think that only Arvind Kejriwal will contest in everywhere in this country and no other political party? There are, no, please. From yesterday I am watching, you are only asking for this particular political party. I love him. I have no problem for that. But please realize that who are being able, who knows this country, the problem is, and who are in politics, because Delhi they won because of Anna Hazare. Then you have to appreciate that movement. Everybody gets supported. Even you people also, the civil society. They get full support. And it is not that everywhere only one political party will go and another cannot go. I didn't stop them to going to Punjab. So why they will stop us to come to Goa?
is there any similarity between what you want and what they want? Do you think it's possible that
मैंने बोला है क्या हम कोई अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का बात नहीं कर सकते because they have their own freedom, they have their own choice, they have their own setup. I can say about my party and the local regional political party.
it's possible that
मैंने बोला है क्या हम कोई अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का बात नहीं कर सकते because they have their own freedom, they have their own choice, they have their own setup. I can say about my party and the local regional political parties who are really facing trouble and they want to fight BJP because Goa is facing the problem, the unemployment problem, the fishing sector's problem, the taxi drivers problem, the farmers problem, the mining problem, every problem they are facing today. But Goa has everything with them, only the leadership is lagging behind. And the mechanism and the system, and that's why I think let us build up Goa so that Goa can build up with their own, they can stand in their own legs, and Goa may be the beginning of the end to defeat the BJP rule.
Madam, I have a question. Now, PLC has been working here for over a month very aggressively, but we don't find your state executive committee so far. So when it will be the state executive committee?
भाई बातचीत करने दो, डेमोक्रेसी में बातचीत करने
How
लगता है।
long it will take?
और कितना आदमी आएगा आप देख लो, और कितना आई हुई है, इसको देखना पड़ता है। इस चीज सेंसिटिव चीज भी होता है। We want to give more power to women, the young generation also, more power to farmers community, the fishing community, the taxi drivers and all. So let us decide that whoever the people want to join, after that we can do it. It hardly matters. Family is there. So who will lead the family? That automatically it will come.